everyone, and welcome back to the Plant to Platter kitchen. Actually, we're not in the kitchen, are we? I'm actually sitting in my living room, and behind me is the kitchen. And actually next to me is my oldest daughter, a picture of her when she graduated from ASU. That's Megan. And I just wanted to do something a little bit more personal and kind of just show you how I design my cooking classes. I'm getting ready for one today. I have a couple visiting Sedona from Boston, Massachusetts, and they found me through being a Sedona chamber partner. They found my Plant to Platter business, and they're coming over and we're going to whip up some wonderful dishes. So come with me into the kitchen and I'll show you what's in store for them. So here we are in the Plant to Platter kitchen. And what I've done is I've set up for the class. It's going to start in about 15 minutes. And I'm going to walk you over here. And this is what it looks like. This is what greets them, is this bounty of wonderful vegetables and fruits. And we get to cook all of this together. And over here is where some of the cooking will take place, and I have set up so easy for them to find spices and some of the condiments we use in the dishes. And over here is where a lot of the action takes place. Yes, if you're cooking with plants, you need some cutting boards, obviously, good set of knives, and you will be chopping and dicing for sure. But we also have the help of a food processor, so that'll be nice. I have laid out for them some dishes. We are going to be preparing 5 different dishes kind of today, and during about midway point they will have a snack. So I have some drinks. I have some seltzer and lime seltzer, some herbal iced tea, I have some dandy blend, I have coffee, tea, all sorts of drinks. And when they exit, they will get to take a wonderful gift that is representative of Sedona and Plant to Platter. And let me show you what's inside. So what's inside their goodie bag? Well, for one, they'll take home all their recipes, and I'll give them a digital copy as well. And there's a booklet and some information I give them, but I give them a packet of some yummy desserts. So in this today's goodie bag, we have some oatmeal raisin cookies and some garbanzo bean blondies that have some chocolate chips in them, but everything is vegan. And this is one of my favorite pottery places, stores here in Sedona. It's in Tlaquepaque, and it is Esteban's. Got to give them a little shout out because I go there and I get several bowls so I can use them as gifts for my cooking classes. And so this is what they'll take home, as well as a nice little thank you card from me. And isn't that true? Isn't it ironic that the most beautiful place on earth is famous for what you can't see? And then I write just a little personal note in there. So I just wanted to show you what you could get if you take a cooking class with me, Chris Kalinich of Plant to Platter.